Hey, if this is first time you are watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to turn on the notifications. So today we are going to learn how to draw eyes step by step. While drawing an eye, the common mistake everyone does is they start with an almond figure. Avoid drawing almond shaped eye. Start to identify the figures. To draw a realistic eye, follow the steps given. Divide the upper portion of an eye into 3 sections and lower portion of an eye into 2 sections. From the figure we can observe that the line should intersect from point A to point B, and tear duct should always be considered in drawing as it is one of the core part in the eye. Now let's have a look on the steps. So step 1. Outline the shape of an eye and highlight. Start to draw with the bigger part so that it can be easily broken into smaller parts further. Use HB pencil for light strokes. This outline should not be too dark because you want to prevent it from showing through in the end. Step 2. Put in. After drawing the largest part, the eye socket, start with the angles of the eyebrow. I like to group the lids, sclera and iris into one shape at first. I feel that it's easier to get this shape accurately placed inside the socket instead of drawing all the pieces individually. When you are drawing the lids, make sure you include the bottom plane of the top lid and top plane of the bottom lid. This will show the thickness of the lids. Step 3. Shading the individuals. Start to shade the different parts of an eye. Make sure the highlights stay clean. Don't overdark at first, as it will become difficult to erase if some correction is to be made. Step 4. Dark accents. Put the darkest areas in the drawing. Observe the light source and dark the regions as per shadows exhibit. Sketch the eyebrows as well. 5. Highlights and details. Add highlights to your drawing. The side portion of the highlighted part will be a bit darker. Give proper details and shadows and end up with a final touch-up. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon and turn on the notifications. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.